I was blowing into the microphone. Okay. Shout out time. Serious face.
I'm not doing the Macarena.
Oh. Okay. Shout out time. I want to say hi to Nelly. You're pretty, and I love you. And tell Neji. I was gonna say Neji. Hedgie or Brett that I said hi. And yeah, okay. Next is Dominic. I just met you, but you're awesome. Yeah. Okay, so hi. And Logan. Hi. So.
You're boring!
I'm very bored! Who wants to see my pudding? Looks like a bunch of crap, literally.
Dude,
Look at that.
it's gross.
I think I'm trying to kill my laptop.
We did get blue screen like 5 times.
This is why I have no boyfriend.